subtraction today. You guys have been doing this, so this will be a good review. All right, let's get started. Okay, I've got a little something up here. Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat. Okay, so this is what we do when we do long division. We first divide, we then multiply, we subtract that number, and then we repeat the process until we're done. Okay, so let's keep that in mind when we're doing long division. Here is my first problem. Okay, 342 divided by 2. So I say to myself, will 2 go into 3? Well, yes, it will. How many times does 2 go into 3? We're dividing. It does go in 1. So now I'm going to multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. And now I'm going to subtract, okay? 3 minus 2, you're right, 1. Oh, I think I forgot a step. We need to bring it down, okay? So now I said we're going to bring a number down. So I have 14. We're going to start over. We're going to divide. How many times does 2 go into 14? You got it. It goes 7 times. So we multiply. 7 times 2. You're right. 14. So we subtract. We get 0. But remember, we need to bring it down because we still have a number up there to use. So I bring it down. How many times does 2 go into 2? You're right, 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 2 minus 2, 0. No remainder. And I can't bring anything down because I'm out of numbers here. Okay? There is a way we can check this, can't we? We can do the opposite. We just divided, so let's multiply our answer, 171, times our divisor. And what we should get is our dividend in the middle. 2 times 1, 7 times 2, 2 times 1, plus 1. There we go, 342 matches our dividend. Okay, let's try another one, guys. Okay, and remember, in case we need it, we divide, we multiply, we subtract, we bring down, and then we repeat. So, 737 divided by 5. 5 goes into 7. You got it 1 time. Now, I'm real careful where I write my numbers because I'm dividing 7 and 5 here. So, I put my number over that. If I was using 2 numbers here, then I would put my number over the last number that I'm using. Okay, so I'm just using my 7 right now. So, I divided 5 times 1. You're right, it's 5. Subtract. 2, bring down. How many times is 5 going into 23? You got it 4 times, and I write it right over my 4 because that's the last number I'm using. Or right over my 3 because that's the last number I'm using. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract. 3, bring down. How many times does 5 go into 37? You got it, 7. 7 times 5, subtract. Okay, I've got a number down here, but I'm out of numbers, so I can't bring anything down. So this is called my remainder. I bring it up here, I put an R, and then I say what that number is down at the bottom, 2. So 737 divided by 5 is 147, remainder 2. Now, how would I check this? So I'm going to take my whole number I have here, 147. I'm going to multiply by my divisor. 7 times 5, 35. 4 times 5, 20 plus 3. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2, 7. Well, we're not done yet because we still have a remainder. So we then add the remainder to our number. 5 times 7, or 5 times plus 2, 7, 3, 7. Okay, so when you have a remainder number and you want to check that, you multiply your divisor times this, and then you add your remainder to it. All right, guys, long division, it's no joke, but I know you've got it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.